friends, welcome to Smita's kitchen. Today I am going to show you a very nice, healthy and light protein rich dish. It's called green moong uttapam with coconut chutney. So it's very easy to make and needs a little bit of preparation, but you can make it for lunch or breakfast. Very delicious and goes very fast. So let me show you the ingredients first for the coconut chutney, and then we'll move to the green moong uttapa. So let's start with the chutney ingredient first. I have roasted gram, you can say dalia or dal, not the chana dal, but it's a roasted grams you can call. It's about 1 cup. I roasted it on a low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. 1 and 1/4 cup of coconut, grated fresh coconut, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. This is for the tempering. Salt to taste, dry red chilies, green chilies about 3 to 4. You can reduce it according to your taste, and also some curry leaves. Water according to the consistency, and some coconut oil for the tempering. So that's the ingredient for the coconut chutney. Okay, so let's start making the chutney first. This is the roasted gram dal. I'm going to put that in. Coconut, curry leaves and the green chilies goes in, and the salt. I'm going to add a little bit of water, about half a cup, less than half, sorry, about 1/4 of a cup right now, and I can always add more. As you see, it's a little dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more water in there. Another 1/4 of a cup of water. I'm to give it it's almost ready. One more time the mix, and then we'll do the tempering. So as you can see, it's done very nicely, grounded, and now we are going to do the tempering on that. So let's start. In a small pan, I'm going to take about a tablespoon of coconut oil. You can take regular oil, olive oil, or peanut oil, but the coconut oil kind of enhances the flavor. So coconut oil doesn't take too long. I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds in there. You can hear it now, it started crackling. I'm going to add the dry red chilies and about 10 to 12 curry leaves, and pour this tempering on the chutney. So our chutney is ready to be served, and it's done. And now we are going to start making the uttapa batter. Let me show you the ingredient for the green moong uttapa. So I have this green moong over here, which is soaked overnight, and in the morning I took out the water and it started sprouting. You can see a little bit over here. I have 2 tomatoes chopped, half a red onion chopped very fine, cilantro, very fine, about inch and a half piece of ginger, some green chilies, salt to taste, 1 cup of rice flour and 1 cup of yogurt, and oil to make the uttapa. So let's start. Let's begin making the batter first for the uttapam. So I'm going to take the moong. These are about 2 cups of moong which was soaked. I'm going to add a cup of yogurt, ginger. You can add chili if you want to at this point, but I'm using the chili when I make the uttapam, so I'm not going to add the chili right now. Salt and a cup of water to grind everything together. Take this out in a bowl. And add the rice flour in it. The rice flour combines the moong beans and also gives the crispiness when we make the pancake or the uttapam. Okay, so the batter is ready. Now we'll start the cooking. I'm just going to taste for the salt. I think it's maybe a little bit. Yeah, needs a little bit more salt. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon. Make sure the pan is hot, and to test it a little bit, just sprinkle some oil and some water at the same time, and when it starts splittering, you know the pan is ready. You can also use ghee if you want to make this uttapam, but today we are using the oil. Ghee also tastes good. Yeah, this is ready now. So I'm going to pour about a ladle full of batter, and you can cook it on the medium heat. Now we'll top it with a little bit oil on the side. I'm going to sprinkle some onion, tomatoes, and cilantro, and some green chilies according to your taste, and a little bit of oil on the side and on the top. Press it down, all these ingredients. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes on each side because these are raw moong, so it will take a little time to cook it. Just turning the heat a little bit high, a little more than a medium, in between high and medium. Flip it now. So you see nice light golden brown color. A little bit of oil again. Make sure you use the non-stick pan. It's very important, otherwise everything will stick on the bottom. And this is ready. Okay, you can enjoy. Thank you for watching my video.